Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and welcome back if you have been here before. My name is Bella, and today I'm doing a Valentine's Day video. I have it on my eyes already. So if you like it, like the video, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, share it with them, tell them to do the same thing. And the pictures from today's video will be on my Instagram at BelleBeauty, 3 L's, 2 Y's. Hey guys, welcome to my Valentine's Day video. So today I think I'm gonna do like a pinkish, rose goldish eye look, but I haven't put on any face makeup yet, so I think I'm gonna show you guys how I do my face makeup too. So for primer, I use the NYX Shine Killer primer, and I only really put it on the parts of my face that get shiny, like by my nose, on my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And then I use the number 7 Stay Perfect foundation. This is in the shade Warm Beige. So I put like 3-ish pumps on the back of my hand, and then with this microfiber beauty blender, just put it on my face. For concealer, I use Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. It's definitely way lighter than my face, but I feel like if I use a shade that's too light, like you're supposed to go like 2 shades lighter on concealer, but if I use a shade that's too light, I don't use as much. It's probably not a good theory, but that's how I save money. And then I use my same beauty blender and just blend it in. To set my foundation and concealer, I'm using the number 7 translucent loose powder and this big fluffy brush. For bronzer, I'm using the Too Faced Sun Bunny Natural Bronzer. It's like 2 shades. I use both of them, and I use this flat top brush. For blush, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Pool Party, and I usually start with this shade, and then this one, and then this one. I use all 3 of them just very lightly, so I just go like that for these 2. And then a little bit of this pink one. To contour, I use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I also use the brush that you can buy with it. For eyebrows, I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate. To carve out my eyebrows, I am using my Shape Tape again, putting a little bit on the back of my hand. And just cutting them out. I have to get really close to the mirror when I do my eyebrows, or like my eyeliner, so can't really be on camera for that. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when I carve them out, because I can't really like do it on the camera because I really need the mirror, but it looks like that. And I take this other brush and just totally blend that all out so you can't see that it was like carved. And then I just set that with powder and a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Okay, so now it's time to do my eyes. So I'm gonna use the James Charles palette, of course. And I think I'm just gonna make it up as I go because I have so many ideas that I can't just do them all. So I think I'm gonna try to put all of my ideas into one look. So I'm gonna start with the shade Canvas. It's this sort of like very bare color. And then we'll go with, how about Pinkity Drinkity? I got a Pinkity Drinkity yesterday. This is such a big palette that it's so hard to like hold and show. Anyways, it's this very bubblegum pink color. This color is really like not pigmented compared to the other colors, and I think it's because it sort of blends into my skin tone. And I'm sure that if I primed my eyes more than just that little bit of concealer from my eyebrows, it would have shown up better, because I also put powder over. Now I'm going to use the shade Mary. It is this very light cranberry color. Okay, so now I have a pretty good base, and I'm gonna look at the other colors and see what I want to work with. Okay, I think I'm gonna use Boutique. These are kind of colors that I used in my last video, but I promise I'm gonna make it different, but it's this color. Valentine's Day is all about like red and pink, and I have to put some sort of pink in. So I think I'm gonna do this one, the darker one, called Love That. Ooh, I do love that. And to add some more definition, I am gonna use this shade called Benny. It's really hard to see. Now I'm gonna extend these colors onto the bottom lash line. Alright, here comes the fun part. I'm gonna cut out my crease using Shape Tape. And now I'm gonna use the shade, I flipped it over, Sister. It's this shimmery pink right here. And then I'm gonna go with So Good. It's like a goldish shimmer. And I'm gonna use Shook. It's this reddish cranberry shimmery color to just blend this line. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera after I finish this eye so I can show you guys everything. But I'm gonna use this NYX liquid crystal liner and kind of just put it all over my lid to enhance the glitter. So I used some NYX glitter. It was silver, but now it's time for eyeliner. I'm using the Revlon Color Stay in the liquid like marker, and I'm also using the Revlon Color Stay crayon to tightline my eyes. Okay, now that the liner's done, I'm gonna put on lashes off camera. I'm using my Ardell Wispies. Okay, here is my eyes with the lashes. and I'm gonna use my Kylie matte liquid lipstick in the shade Posy K. Okay, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and I'm using this pinky shade called Moonstone. Okay, here's the finished look. I really like how it came out. I wish I was doing something tonight so I could wear it out, but that's not the case because it's Wednesday. But if you liked this video, if you liked how it all came out, how I did everything, like it, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, tell them to do the same, and I'll see you next time.